Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Rini Gupta, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. And also, we're adding something new, a daily AI tool or tip to help you work smarter and live more efficiently in this digital age. So, our lead story is about Perplexity denies claims of Pro-Lite experience for Airtel users in India. Microsoft has launched Copilot 3D, an AI tool in Copilot Labs that transforms 2D images into 3D models, making 3D creation fast and accessible. Available free for select users, it works best on desktops via copilot.com. Users can upload PNG or JPG images under 10 MB for conversion, with models saved in GLB format for 28 days. While it handles objects like furniture well, it may struggle with animals. Creations can be used in AR apps, but uploading images without rights or showing people can lead to account bans. Meta unveiled groundbreaking VR headset prototypes aiming for near-real visuals. The Star Tiramisu boasts 90 pixels per degree and brightness 14x higher than Quest 3, nearly passing the visual Turing test. Puffin, a 110-degree glasses-style headset, uses gaze and pinch controls, offloads processing to a pocket puck, and targets productivity and AR. Boba 3 and Boba 3 VR deliver 4K per eye resolution with a 180-degree field of view for deep immersion. While still prototypes, these designs hint at Meta's ambitious future beyond its current Quest 3 lineup. Meta Infinix has launched the GT35G in India, starting at Rs 19,499. Targeted at gamers, it features physical shoulder triggers, a customizable LED light panel, and supports 90 FPS gaming in titles like BGMI. The phone sports a 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate, MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chip, 8GB LPDDR5X RAM, and up to 256GB storage. It packs a 5500 mAh battery with 45W fast charging, a 64 mAh plus 8 mAh rear camera setup, IP64 rating, stereo speakers, and a 6-layer vapor chamber cooling system. Sales start August 14th via Flipkart. Infinix WhatsApp for Android is testing a new feature to send motion photos with audio, spotted in beta version 2.25.222.29 by WA Beta Info. Motion photos capture moments before and after a shot, along with sound, and will be marked by a play icon in the image selection interface. This feature mirrors Samsung's motion photos and Google's Top Shot and works only if the device supports it natively. Though all users can view received motion photos, the update will prevent motion photos from being converted into video files when shared. WhatsApp Google will discontinue the Steam for Chromebook beta program on January 1st, 2026. Chromebook users now see a pop-up warning about the shutdown, after which all installed Steam games will be removed. Launched in alpha in March 2022 and moved to beta later that year, the project aimed to bring Linux-based Steam games to Chromebooks, supporting 99 titles. However, no major updates followed. Post-shutdown, users can still play Android games or use cloud services like Xbox Cloud Gaming, Nvidia GeForce Now, or Amazon Luna for PC gaming alternatives. Google Roblox is launching an open source version of its AI system, Sentinel, to help detect predatory behavior in game chats. Designed to identify grooming patterns over time, Sentinel analyzes 1-minute chat snapshots, about 6 billion messages daily, and compares them against indexes of safe and harmful conversations. In early 2025, the tool led to 1,200 reports of suspected child exploitation to US authorities. By sharing the system, Roblox hopes other platforms can enhance child safety. The move follows lawsuits alleging the company fails to adequately protect young users. Roblox iTool of the day is Notion AI, your smart productivity assistant. What it does. Notion AI supercharges your productivity by helping you write, brainstorm, summarize, translate, and manage information all within your Notion workspace. Why it's helpful? Instantly summarize meeting notes, research papers, or long articles, generate to-do lists, action items, and content drafts from simple prompts, translate content across multiple languages, helps with outlining blogs, emails, or reports, seamlessly integrates into your Notion docs and databases. No switching apps. I So our lead story is about Perplexity denies claims of Pro-Lite experience for Airtel users in India. Perplexity.ai has denied allegations that Airtel users in India receive a downgraded version of its Perplexity Pro subscription offered under Airtel's 5G plan. A viral Reddit post claimed the Airtel linked version was slower, lacked charts, skipped citations, and offered less insightful responses, dubbing it Pro-Lite. Perplexity's Jesse Dwyer called the claims absolutely false, stressing Airtel customers get the same features as paying Pro users, including advanced AI models, file uploads, and image generation. The Pro plan, worth Rs17,000 annually, is bundled FRB8E with Airtel's 5G service. That's all for today's bulletin. This is Rini Gupta signing off from IT Voice, bringing you the latest updates from the ever changing world of technology. Stay tuned, stay curious, and see you tomorrow with more tech news and insights. That's all for today's bulletin. This is Rini Gupta.